Your Honor, the prosecutors offered on both those insurance cases to allow the civil infraction.
All right. Ms. Howard, would you come forward? Thank you, Keith, and thank you, prosecutor's office. And David's proposal for now, while we don't have enough staff to send the public defender down there, I guess we can make that work. All right, Ms. Howard, the public defender has checked with the prosecutor, and they're willing to dismiss this charge of no proof of insurance, which costs a minimum of $325 for a charge called no proof of insurance. No proof of insurance means you didn't have a little slip in the car. It means you had insurance, but many of us have done that. We get the thing in the mail, we set it aside, your insurance expires. So the fine for that is $150, and it's not a misdemeanor, it's a civil infraction. Are you willing to plead to no proof of insurance?
Starts out as a simple insurance case, quickly turns into something far more personal. The judge begins explaining what seems like a minor $150 civil infraction. Nothing out of the ordinary. But pay attention to Miss Howard's response. Her quiet yes carries a weight, like she's barely holding it together. You can tell there's a story behind that silence. Something she's...
Civil infractions are supposed to be due within 30 days. Today's August 20th. Can you pay that by September 20th? Need more time.
I can't even answer every time. I have to file for disability. And my ex, who I'm talking about, he took everything.
I think I must know who he is. We've got Kleenexes there on the... They
He's
said
actually in the
all
parking
girls
lot.
cry, but I thought he's in the parking lot?
Oh,
wait a minute. That's not very good.
This is where everything shifts. This isn't just about an unpaid insurance ticket anymore. This is about a woman who's lost her sense of safety, her stability, even her ability to speak freely. You can hear her fear breaking through each word, as if she's apologizing for simply existing in her...
It's usually on the defender's side. We don't make the prosecutor cry all that much.
Try hard. Try hard.
We do.
But I've been going through a lot. He hit my house. I got from the kid tonight. He took the money and I have to be on the third.
You said he's in the parking lot?
Yeah,
And comes a line that stops everyone cold. He's not just a memory, not some distant danger from her past. He's outside, right now, in that instant. The courtroom stops being just a place of law. It becomes a place of protection. You can see the concern ripple through the judge, the prosecutor.
For you? What's his name?
Jesus Borrego.
Who?
Jesus Borrego.
Don't know him. Well, I'm going to use this date. Don't worry about it, but at some point you're going to need to pay this. Have you considered asking for a PPO?
I did, and they, because it wasn't, I live in Edwardsburg. I went to the Cass County over there, and they told me because there's domestic that there's a no contact. But we were supposed to go to court.
Where's the domestic here or Cass
There's
County?
been two here against me and my daughter, and then 2 in Cass County. And he's got away with all of them.
Where is the charge pending?
There's no charges, nowhere. He got let go with disturbing the peace, and I don't know why, because my head was cracked open.
In Cass County or St. Joe County?
Both were dropped.
Again, the judge doesn't make the charge.
Yeah, he drugged me by the truck. He cracked my head open.
Borrego.
Borrego.
There's still a charge. No contact.
No, they dropped it. They never contacted me. He showed up.
She's really fighting isn't just fines or legal forms. She's fighting a system that's already failed her more than once. 2 different counties. Multiple domestic cases dismissed. A cracked skull and unanswered cries for help. Yet here she is, being questioned again, asked if she's cooperating. Trauma doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers.
So there's a lot of here I don't know.
I want a PPO.
Well, I would go back to the Cass County courts and ask for a personal protection order. I want to make sure that things are okay in the parking lot. We're going to find Mr.
He was there
Borrego VRA.
knocking on, pounding and pounding on my door at 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, and he didn't stop and woke up my.
When was this?
This morning.
This morning.
This morning. Woke up my girls and my baby boy, and I go outside. I'm scared. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just yelling at me and everything, and he's yelling at my daughter. And
all right, well, that has nothing to do with this insurance case, but I am concerned about your safety. We're going to have the bailiffs escort you out to your
thank
car
you so much.
and see what Mr. Villarreal Borrego is doing. But I would encourage you to go back to the court, wherever they do PPOs in Cass County. It isn't, you don't need the prosecutor to get a PPO. It's a personal protection order.
Now, it's not only about her anymore. There are children involved, waking up in fear, living with uncertainty. You can feel the judge's tone change, softening, shifting from procedural to protective. The lines between law and humanity blur when real danger waits outside those courts.
Like the whole sound of that. All right, your case was the same charge, and the prosecutors made the same plea offer to dismiss the no insurance for a plea to no proof of insurance, which carries a $150 fine and is a civil infraction. Are you willing to do that?
Yes, sir. I last I knew that I had insurance, and I never got a notification that it lapsed. So,
well, then this probably would be an appropriate no proof of insurance, because you couldn't prove to the policeman you had insurance.
I had a card in my vehicle, but the officer said when she ran, she said that I had no insurance. So I said, I got a card, and I showed it to her, but evidently it lapsed or something.
Oh, it must have expired. And I said, many people have done that. Fine.
Bad on my thought. I mean,
all right. Can you pay $150 by September 20th?
Yes, sir.
How many miles did you have on this? How many miles did you have on this 2006 Chevy?
Like 208,000.
You got 200,000 miles on a 2006 HHR. I think you got your money's worth. Chevy engines aren't known for going 200,000 miles. But
my buddy has one that's got 400,000 miles on it.
In this moment, the judge chooses guidance over punishment, safety over protocol. Courtrooms aren't always places of compassion. But right here, the law takes a breath. Justice doesn't rush to punish. It pauses to protect.